Here I'm going to demonstrate a few useful string functions and operators. So we've already seen the getLine function. So you'll notice I have strings first name, last name, full name. I have another string called stars, and I have an integer called number of stars. So here I'm going to use getLine to prompt the user to enter their first name, and I'll store it in this string variable. Prompt the user for their last name, store in this string variable. And here's the first operator we're going to look at. The plus operator, when it's used for strings, is used to concatenate or join together strings. In this case, I'm joining together the first name string with a blank space character with the last name string entered above. Here I'm going to use a function called length, and length will actually count the number of characters in a given string. So this will count the number of characters in the full name, which is the first name plus a blank space character plus the last name. And the last function we're going to look at is the assign function. This will actually assign, and this is going to be, remember, this is our integer that holds a number of characters. For this many characters, it'll put stars in a string, and it'll put it back and assign it into the stars string itself. And then I'm going to just output all this. So let's just see what it looks like. Right, here's my name. And that's what it looks like. So what happened was full name became Debbie space Sorrentino. The number of stars became the length of that string. So you have to add up all the characters in Debbie, and then a space character, that's 7 there, and then Sorrentino, which is 10. So that's 17 characters. And then what it would do right here into our stars string variable, it'll assign 17 stars and then just display everything back out. So there's a lot of different functions and operators that are part of the string library, and as a beginning programmer we just introduce a few like we did here. So we have getLine, we have the string concatenation operator, we have the length function, and the assign function.